All right, chat. Good morning. We are back trying to catch this next market move, as y'all can see. So right now, we're currently entertaining the idea of this 4-minute inversion here. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch MNQ over here, switch NQ over here. Basically, we have SMT inside we have SMT with Asia low. We do have equal highs above us right here on at London high. So SMT at Asia low. 4-minute highest time frame inversion of the leg, and we are rejecting off of an hourly, 4 hour, and a 15-minute gap, I believe. Yeah, so hourly, 4 hour, 15-minute, and yeah, we're just gonna take that highest time frame inverse out of this leg here, and hopefully we can catch that next market move. So I'm just gonna wait to see if we invert it. The 20 limit. Give all you got. All right, we're now in there, like somewhere off that 4-minute inversion. Give all you got under the moonlight. Don't know why my shit's not working. Alright. Don't know why the fuck I don't have it recently deleted. Uh, where is my recently deleted? Delete all. There you go. Alright, so this trade, pretty fucking simple. SMT at the Asia low. Rejection out of a 15-minute, 4 hour, hourly, daily gap. And we're also under both of the opening prices. So we are going to be taking this to at least try to target out London. So here's that 4-minute highest time frame inverse of the leg right here. We're gonna go ahead and just label it Goku IFVG. So Goku IFVG, and inside center we're gonna make it bold, italicized, and we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. You feel me? And hopefully this Goku IFVG does deliver to the downside here. Give all you got. And then it is now 657. How did 930 open? Yeah, 930 immediately just opened lower off rip too, and both of the opening prices line up. 10 a.m. here, if I am correct, and it's also a 15-minute CRT as well, so we did take out the previous 15-minute candle low with this candle. So, I mean, hopefully 10 a.m. here does just open up higher and, head towards our draw on liquidity. But yeah, we do not need a 10 a.m. open low here. We need a 10 a.m. open high to just go for the London high above us, where we have equal highs above, as you can see right here on the normal NQ chart. So right now we're just gonna wait. We're already in the trade. We've executed on both the Lucid funded and the Alpha Futures account. So yeah, we got 2 minutes here for the new hourly open. Honestly, just kind of want to start, just basically just want to see it start draking up to the upside. So I believe that was it was like the first presented gap, I believe, on the 4-minute. Let's see. Yeah, nice displacement, good follow through here. Nice strong bullish candles. I mean, hopefully this one just delivers. Hopefully this one does deliver here. This one does look good. This one does look promising as well. Okay, starting to show some nice rejection out. All right, there we go. Give all you got under the moonlight and under the daydreams. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And if our idea is correct, price should just send us higher if we truly do want to move higher today. So let's see, can we get an open high here? Can we get an open high here? And this one wants to be a good break-even spot. It's a 5-minute high instead of a 5-minute gap. So that would be good. And I apologize for the snoring. If y'all could hear the snoring in advance, y'all are probably gonna have to, deal or hear that shit the whole video. I'm sorry, there's really not much that I can do because we be sharing a room and shit. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. It's all good. That's why we're trading. That's why we're trying to become profitable, so we can eventually have our own room to trade in. You know what I'm saying? And again, guys, forgot to let y'all know. Um, Giveaway for Alpha Futures 50K account. Giveaway ends on Friday. So if you guys are interested in that free 50K giveaway, make sure you purchase an account over at Alpha Futures. If you use code BEV, DM me on Instagram or TikTok. It's basically just showing me proof that you use my code over at Alpha Futures. And as a matter of fact, if you let me know that you came from this YouTube video saying, okay, yo, bro, I came from the 513 live trading session, then if you see this video and you come from it, let me know that you're coming from this video, and I'll give you 2 entries. So just let me know that you watched this video, and be like, yo, bro, I watched this video, and I'll give you 2 entries. So do what you will with that information. And then also, we're now partnered with Funded Next. So we now have our third prop firm affiliate code, which is with Funded Next. So Alpha Futures, Tradeify, Funded Next, code BEV to save money at checkout. So right now, Alpha Futures, I believe, is 10% off. Tradeify is 45, and Funded Next is 47% off their new Flex account. So if you're interested in those, make sure you head over to Funded Next, Alpha Futures, or Tradeify to cop yourself an account. But yeah, we gotta start seeing some speed and movement here or something, cause like, what are we actually like even doing? Okay, 9:30. Guess it came lower off that 5-minute. Is there a 15-minute gap? Okay, there is a 15-minute gap, so we're actually gonna go break even right here. We're actually gonna go break even right here because it's a break even gap. I mean a break even gap because it's a 15-minute gap. So we're actually gonna go break even at the 15-minute gap. That would be a good idea for the break even. The fuck? I was like, what the fuck is this shit doing? Oh, we're break even right there. I'll go break even at the 15-minute gap. I mean, if this setup doesn't work, I mean, I'll be highly, disappointed because we wouldn't have even tapped into that bearish 15-minute above us. So I mean, ideally, I mean, I guess this 15-minute bearish gap above us is like a good thing, as well as the 5-minute too. Well, more in particular, the 15 minutes a bit more of a good thing, because since we have an unfilled 15-minute, more than likely you could probably gravitate price up here, and we'll at least have an opportunity to go break even after filling in that gap. But if we tap into that gap and then we start selling off, of course, then that's another thing we could look for. Like, we could look to try to cash that short if we do start rejecting lower off that 15-minute gap. But I mean, right now, I'm pretty much just kind of like, I want to see that 15-minute gap just basically hold as, not hold, but like, give us a chance to go break even, because it's a good spot for a break even. Actually gonna lower this a lot smaller. But yeah, hopefully we can at least come to the 15-minute chart. I mean, 15-minute chart into the 15-minute gap, so that way, we can at least go break even on the trade. But I mean, we'll see right here. It looks like we could possibly see a small little pump into it. We are starting to chop around. Unfortunately, it is, yeah, it's not 10 a.m. and we're starting to just kind of chop around the 10 a.m. opening price. Let's see what we're doing here. This is what, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. price is like 169. Yeah, 169.5, and that's just not a good reaction, bro. Like, what the fuck is this reaction right here? All right, so we swept out the lows. Okay, so we swept the lows. Nice. Can we go for the high? Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I said it in yesterday's video, but we also won the trade on Friday, but I honestly completely forgot to do the fucking recap and shit. I got lazy. So, um, yeah, there's that. I honestly should have, just knocked the video out of the way, but I had some shit I had to go do on Friday. But yeah, Friday we ended up winning a nice little trade. I think we hit for like 1K or like $900, something like that. So, a nice little cheeky 1 to 2 RR on the day for Friday. Again, just got too lazy to fucking sit there, record the recap, and do all that shit. So, just want to let y'all know, we're currently on a 2 trade winning streak. Monday we had a break even. But yeah, Friday we had a dub. Yesterday we had a dub. Monday we had a break even. So as of right now, we're on like a 2 trade winning streak, which is pretty fucking good if I do say so myself. Came from the boss, came from the block, most never win. Oh my god, bro. This fucker snoring loud as fuck too. So, right now, chat, I'm honestly just on my phone watching the trade on the second eval too. Just so y'all know, watching the trade, watching the second eval play out there. But yeah, 10 a.m. We're not off to a very 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 hot start. If I'm gonna go ahead and just be honest myself. Again, had I woken up on time, right here we come into the 5 minute, we were dragged lower off of it. Had I actually woken up on time, okay, I probably wouldn't have taken this. Probably wouldn't have like off a limit or something. We would have been done for today. We would have had a 1 to 2 RR very easily today. But unfortunately, my dumbass stayed in bed. I was like, unfortunately, my dumbass stayed in bed. Actually, like, fell the fuck back asleep. But I mean, it's all good. It happened to me yesterday, and we were still able to, capitalize on the market and make some money. So I mean, hopefully, this trade right here does play out. But yeah, had I been up immediately at market open, we would have formed this 5 minute. I already know I would have came to this 5 minute. All right, inverse lower. All right, bet. I would have taken that. But I fucking accidentally went back to sleep, bro, on some bullshit, gang. Would have been done like fucking 10 minutes into open today. But like, we're just like, what are we doing, bro? Like, the fuck is this price action, man? Shit, like, bro, we have an unfilled 15 above us. Like, come on, bro. Like, draw into there at the very least. Like, what are we actually doing, brother? Brother, man, what are we doing, brother, man? At least go into the 15. Like, we literally have an unfilled 15 above us. Unless ES tapped in, I just haven't seen it. Let me see. Oh, okay, that explains a lot. ES tapped it. I was like, ES basically tapped it. And what the fuck was that candle? Holy shit, what the fuck was that candle? Bro, Jesus. And then ES is making a bunch of LRL and equal lows. So this trade might not even play out anymore. Just looking at fucking ES do its fucking thing. ES horrible fucking market right now, bro. What the fuck is ES doing? And then Nasdaq is just fucking not doing shit either. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, this might be the session here, chat. This might be the session here, chat. Potentially could be the session here. And I'm banned on TikTok again. For whatever reason, fucking people keep reporting my live on TikTok for harassment and bullying or some shit like that. So, right now, that's why we're recording it live, because we can't live stream. In case y'all wanted to know, in case y'all wanted to know. Okay, so where's the 15-minute wick? We need consequent encroachment of the rejection block to save us here. Will it save us? Will it save us? Will the consequent encroachment of the rejection block save us? Rejection block, if you can hear me, please save me. Rejection block. Rejection block, if you can hear me, please save us. Rejection block. Please, rejection block, if you can hear me, please save us. Rejection block. Even ES had a nice little doji candle showing that it wants to, possibly rip up higher. And we just can't get that. We just can't catch that expansion, bruh. We just can't catch that expansion, Bradesky. Rejection block, please save us. Rejection block. If you can hear me, rejection block, please save us. If you are listening, rejection block, please save us. Rejection block, if you are listening. Rejection block, I know you are out there. Please save us. Rejection block, I know you're out there. Bro, like this trade would be nice if we at least got the opportunity to go break even. Cause like there's no way we even there's no way we leave the unfilled 15 above, right? Like come on, bro. Like we gotta at least come up into the unfilled 15. You know what I'm saying? We at least gotta come into like 225 or something. Oh, it looks like this rejection block is saving us. Looks like this RB could potentially save us. Looks like this rejection block could possibly save us here. Now, will it? Can we continue with nice displacement? Good follow through here. Can we continue that nice displacement? Good follow through here with these next couple of candles. Let's find out together. Let's find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. I don't know why my webcam's always like fucking. Oh wait, I forgot I changed it over here because look at the sunlight be coming in and be making me look dark as fuck, and I don't fuck with that. I don't like how this little body fucking rejected so fucking crazily to the downside off the IFEG. That was not good. We need to get a body closure in there. I believe rejected off of 1 minute too. Yeah, rejected off of like a small little 1 minute. Tiny little, tiny little, teeny, tiny, 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 teeny, tiny, 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 bitty, witty, 1 minute. All right. So I mean, we got a nice rejection off that rejection vlog. Can we continue seeing the same thing? Can we get that expansive, girthy Drake move to the upside, chat? Can we? I think we will, and I think we can. Let me open up Financial Juice actually, and just let me make sure I'm not getting fucked by any tweets. Let me make sure I'm not getting fucked by any tweets now that I think about it. So I mean, as far as I see, I don't see anything crazy. Yeah, don't see anything crazy here. Okay, yeah, I don't see anything crazy in terms of like tweets and shit like that. So we should be fine. For now. I was like, for now, at least. We're recording, right? Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay. Again, guys, I'm sorry about the snoring. That shit is loud as fuck. Believe me, I know you guys can hear it because whenever I'm on TikTok live, people always bring up the snoring, and I'm like, well, bro, I live with I share a room with someone. Like, I don't know what you want me to do, but yeah, I apologize for the snoring you guys have to endure here on this YouTube live trading session. Come on, bro, give us a nice meaty close above. Give us a nice meaty close above. Nice meaty close above. Okay, that was a solid close. That was a solid close, I guess. I guess. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I guess. Oh no, I guess, oh no. There we go, please. Please, bro, please. Please, bro, take out the break even spot, bro. Come on, just go a little bit higher to 226. I know you want to go break even at 226. Come on, let's get a nice, meaty, girthy, displacing candle through these highs here. Nice, good follow through. Close above the highs. Don't wake off of that shit like that, bro. Like, come on. Get a nice, girthy, meaty expansion candle through this, man. Come on. That's what you gotta do here. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Yeah, 4 minute. 4 minute. IFAJ. Okay, we gotta close above this high, which is good. We got a nice, meaty close to the upside, alright? We gotta continue this. We gotta continue this momentum here. All right, Nasdaq. Whenever you want to go ahead and stop bickering about and move up to the break-even spot, that'll be very nice, Nasdaq. That'll be very nice. Boop 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 boop. What's the low at? 75.25, I see. Mate, what is this, bro? We still have a relative equal high, literally right here. What are we doing? Come on, Goku. Save us, Goku. Save us, Goku. Save us, Goku. If you can hear me, Goku. Save us, Goku. Fair Valley Gap. Save us, Goku. Fair Valley Gap. Okay. Come on, save us, Goku. Fair Valley Gap. If you can hear me, Goku. Fair Valley Gap. Save us. If you can hear me, Goku Fair Valley Gap, please save us, Goku Fair Valley Gap. If you can hear us, Goku Fair Valley Gap, please save us. Goku Fair Valley Gap, I know you're out there, and I know you can hear me, Goku Fair Valley Gap. If you can hear me, if you can hear me, Goku Fair Valley Gap, please save me and please save us, Goku Fair Valley Gap. Don't 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 Alright, so we've been in the straight for what, 20 minutes? Yeah, so we've been in the straight for 20 minutes now. Got in at what, oh 06? No, my bad, got in at 56, so to oh 06. That's 10 to 16, that's another 10. So 20 minutes. You gotta start seeing some speed, displacement, and follow through here sooner or later, if I'm gonna be honest, because Nasdaq is fucking, it's chopping. I was like, we're watching a chop fest. We're caught up in some chop right now. And creating more relative equal highs, I guess. Like, mate, just fucking displace through. Like, what are we doing? And then this gotta be the expansion candle, bro. Like, we just formed a little doji right there. I was like, it's gotta be the expansion candle. There's no way it's not the expansion candle. Yeah. 15-minute sweep of here. This one fucking swept it, closed back into the range. This one doji. This one gotta be the expansion. This one gotta be the expansion. This one gotta be the expansion candle. Expansion. Okay, I'm gonna chill stop right here. Actually, no, it's an intermediate term low. It could come for it. I was like, it could come for it. I'm tripping. Fear index. What emotions is driving the market right now? Greed. Actually, gotta charge my phone. Phone's about to become deceased. What are we doing? Phone's about to be deceased. What are these little small, tiny bullshit fuck ass candles that we're printing, dude? Like, it's 10 a.m. now, brother. Like, come on, get it together. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. What's the 4 hour looking like? Oof, we actually didn't even hold that 4 hour. Fuck. I mean, 4 hour didn't hold, but like, still, we should at least come into the fucking 15. Like, fuck. I mean, the hourly held. Damn it. Like, the hourly held. Fucking 15-minute held. Like, we gotta at least come up into the 15, bro. Like, there's no way we just sell off like that. At least come into the 15. Bare minimum. Bare minimum, bro. Bare minimum. You gotta go into internal range liquidity, bro. Like, come on, dog. And if we displace out of that 15, I mean, we have a short there too. Shit. We have a short there too now. Shit. Yeah, we just invalidated that 1 minute bullish gap that was okay, kind of holding price. Um, but yeah, man, price is just moving slow as fuck. Very slow, very choppy, very, very, very choppy, if I will say so myself. Rejection block did hold shit down, but I'm still just gonna go ahead and rock my original stop loss, as the rejection block rejection is actually an intermediate term low. So honestly, what I would not be surprised if it happens is if we come to the 15 and then we just sell off, because looking at ES, we're making a bunch of LRL to the downside. So honestly, would not be that surprised. I'm gonna keep it a bean. Okay. Can we reclaim the Goku fair value gap? Can we reclaim the Goku fair value of the gap? NQ. Wait, is NQ in it? No, it's not. NQ is not in it, thankfully. I was like, bro, there's no way. I was like, dude, there's really no fucking way that just happened. Alright, bro, we closed past through the consequent encroachment of that Goku IFEG. Can we start seeing some green or something now? Okay, we're in the green. After fucking 30 years, we're in the fucking green. Only took us about 25 minutes. Only took us about 25 minutes of fucking drawdown. Holy shit. Holy shit. Come on. Break up to 225 so I can go break even. 225 would be the break even. It's a 15-minute. Okay, that's a nice bullish close. We have closed above highs. We have closed and broken through those highs. Now, let's continue this momentum into here, and we'll go break even. Into here, we will go break even. Okay, we're approaching, which is good. We're approaching, which is definitely very good. Okay. Okay, it's moving up, moving up, moving up. We're almost there. We're about 10 points away from break even. 17. Yeah, we're what? High is 29,225. Yeah, so we're close to our break even spot. High is 9,225. Yeah, so we're close to the break even spot. Alright, come on. Stop teasing my break even. Just take it out. Alright, so we just took out break even, so all risk is now off the table on both of the accounts, ladies and gents. All risk is now off the table. Alright? So all risk is off the table. We're going to be holding two London highs, as there is equal highs right there. So that is going to be the full objective of today's trade. London high, the London high. So we're in there risk free now. We're starting to see some displacement, some break above structure to the upside now, thankfully. But yeah, look, you gotta fix this Goku IFUG. The Loki, I gotta fix the Goku IFUG. All right, there we go. Fucking Vegeta. We're gonna be targeting out London highs. So break even just got hit, which is good. I'm going to just clean this up, make this there. And, 95.25, 6.5. So las 6 de la mañana. Damn, it's gonna be a 200 some shit point move. So las 3 de la mañana. So the rejection block did fucking save us. I ain't even gonna lie. It was like fucking rejection block did save our ass. Rejection block saved our ass. So you can see how we perfectly wicked that and just displace away from it. That's very, very good. Son las 3 de la mañana. Alright, so we're in the trade there. And now we're gonna play some fucking chess. I was like, now we're just gonna play some fucking chess. Alright, so the 4 minute has 4 minutes left to invert that. Son las 3 de la mañana. So I'm gonna fucking just mark this up on ES to make sure ES does not take out that London high. How much am I even risking here? Two? Like with two is like what? That was like 200 right there. That was like 200 right there. 500, my bad. So las 3 de la mañana. Yeah, we're seeing some nice displacement and follow through now, so we should continue to see this. Might see some potential reversal at midnight opening, perhaps, if it's bearish. But right now, I mean, you can see this continuing to all-time highs. See this continuing to the all-time highs. There was a very good trade. Right there was a very, very, very good trade. Alright, we're starting to see some sort of maybe perhaps a small retrace. I was like, maybe perhaps a small retrace. I shall be right back. I'm just gonna go take a piss. I'm gonna let this run. Waz. Had to take a quick little wazoo, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, new 15-minute candle's about to open up as well. Looks like this 15-minute gap is being respected and being held. We could maybe possibly have an SMT at the high above. We will have to see. But right now it does look like price is rejecting off of that gap. So let's see. So let's see. Do we have anything here? So the inverse would also. So honestly, it would be break even being closed at. That would be our fucking. That would basically be like the entry to the downside. Basically break even being closed at. Son las 3 de la mañana. The fuck? And we're also playing chess, chat. So y'all know, just so y'all know, we're being productive. You feel me? We're being productive. We're training the brain and everything. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit. You feel me? All right, place that there. All right. The fuck did this guy just do? What the fuck was that move? What is that? White square? Fuck, that's a white square. Fuck. No, that'll kill me. That'll kill me too. Death, 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 death. What can I do here? 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 Alright, we're starting to slow and chop down again. What are we doing? What are we doing, sir? If I go here, I'm dead. If I go here, I mean, that's not the best move. I mean, it's not even worth doing that because it's night. It's fucking shit's up there. I just sold the game. I was like, I just sold the game. I just sold the game. Oh well, I fucking cooked myself on that game, chat. Yeah, I didn't see that though. I was like, y'all didn't see that though. All right, let's move up. Let's move up, bro. Jesus, bro. Bro, we're fucking inhaling all that air and shit. Son las 3 de la mañana. En tu mañana. Data highs. Do we have any data highs today? We have 8:30. Alright, you got data highs right here, actually. So you got data highs right here. Son las 3 de la mañana. And doing. Damn, low key. Fuck, that would have been a banger of a stop loss, bro. Stop loss would have been edge, but it's all good. I fuck with the RR, delivering off the 4 minute. Going higher and higher. Son las 3 de la mañana y tú en la mañana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Loki kind of want to play some Rainbow Six. I was like, Loki kind of want to play some Rainbow Six. No, it'll just stay recording that monitor, won't it? It'll stay recording that monitor, won't it? Son las 3 de la mañana. Hey, Dad. ¿Dónde va? Okay. Aquí, right here. Fuck. Ahí. Okay. Alright, so we're not respecting that 15-minute anymore, seems. Seems you're just eating through it and through it. Just going like on YouTube or some shit, bro. This shit is fucking boring. Let's listen to his morning house mix. Oh my god, bro. Let's move up. There's no way we held through. 9:56. No, we held through fucking like 20 plus, like 25 minutes of drawdown to go into profits and then get break even, bro. There's no way, bro. There's no way, bro. I refuse to believe that shit. I refuse to believe that shit, bro. Homie's over here fucking having dreams of his life. Snoring loud as hell type shit. Motherfucker snoring loud as hell. Or just tap back into the 5-minute. 5-minute low has been swept. 5-minute low sweep. 5-minute tap back into. Get this 5 in here to hold us and send price higher. If it doesn't hold, if it gets inverted, it's probably more than likely probably gonna sell off. We do have an SMT here now. Unfortunately, at the highs, we do have an SMT right here. Nice rejection wick. I was like, nice rejection wick, bro. Homie's fucking snoring loud as shit, bro. Like, you can hear him through my noise canceling headset, dog. Like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? Fuck, chat. I also gotta take a shit. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Chat. I gotta fucking take a shit, bro. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, bro. Like, I'm about to like shit myself. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm gonna shit myself. You know what I'm saying? 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 Bro, I wish I could just pick bro up and flip on his side. Can we just stop? It's not gonna help because he's already on his side. He's fucking snoring loud as shit. 1-8 auto, your order has shipped. Okay, let's track this shit. Come on. What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck are we doing? track both my fucking orders, homie. The fuck? Arriving Friday, May 15th from the fulfillment center. Alright, well that's good to know. That is very, very, very good to know. Alright, nice little rejection. Alright, we swept the lows and we closed back into the range. That's very, very good. Very, very good. Exactly what I want to see here. That's my, yes, that's my type of liquidity sweep, bro. That's my type of liquidity sweep. This is my type of liquidity sweep. This is my type of liquidity sweep, bro. Come on, let's displace up, invert the 259 bearish fair value gap, and let's make it into an inverse and displace higher to the upside, dude. Damn, not gonna lie, this mix is kind of ass. I used to work at the circus. I used to work at the circus. I used to work at the circus. Work at the circus. I used to work at the circus. I used to work at the circus. I used to work for 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 the. I used to work for the. I used to work for the. I used to work for the circus. 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 I used to work at the circus. I used to work for 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 the. 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 I used to work for the circus. 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 I used to work. The high is 44825. We'll do it there. I used to work for the circus. I used to work for the circus. Alright, man. Let's place higher now. Let's break structure. We've been fucking about, not doing shit for a cool minute now. So come on, let's get to it. Chop chop. Chop chop. Chop chop. This one's whatever's. Oh my Jesus, bro. Nigga snoring loud as fuck. Getting that Instagram content, you know what I'm saying? Jesus, Brody. Let me make a TikTok here while we're at it too. Rise and grind, gamer. If you're not already up, catching that next market move. The early bird has indeed not got the worm. Then the late bird does not get the... Then the late bird does not... Then the late bird does not get the worm like the early bird. Knowledge Drake to London High, please. Drake to London High now, please. Alright, we're finally getting displacement. Can I use normal TikTok sounds now? Thank the Lord. This one's a lucky banger. Two new requests. Did I just have an official TikTok page comment on my video? No way, it's not a real TikTok page. I guess TikTok Taco is a real thing. Son. Who else is in these longs right now? Who else woke up early to get the worm today? Besides me, of course, as you guys can clearly see. Who else is in these longs though? Tight shit. For real, for real. Mark got that data high. Be right there. Be a very, very, very important point of reversal there. And we've now been in this trade for almost an hour. We've now been in this basket for almost an hour. How do we feel? How do we feel? I don't know if we're gonna hit it today though. Oh. Alright, chat. I'm low-key about to shit myself. I'm gonna go take a quick dookie break. So we'll come back, we'll see where price is at. Alright, chat, we are back. I can no longer contain myself from blowing up the toilet. So that's that. So that's that. But yeah, I had to blow up the motherfucking toilet. So do what y'all will with that information. But yeah, chat. I had to go take a quick little bathroom break. I couldn't really. Yeah, I couldn't. My bad. I got a bit sidetracked, but yeah, couldn't contain that anymore. To be honest, that shit was helping. That shit was making me turtle. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was making me a turtle. And that's the Minecraft item drop noise. Alright, so 321 is $500 exactly. So 321 would kind of be where I draw my stop. Meow, 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 pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 361, 196, and we've been in the straight for an hour or so. Okay, displace all this, unfill 15 down below us. So that right there. Yeah, I would be fine with that. I would be fine with that. If we do get that. Come on, bro. Data high at least, bro. Come on, bro. At least I got the data high. Bro, say wallahi, bro. Oh my god. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi, bro. Spotlight, moonlight, moonlight. I remain versatile. Alright, bro. Wallahi, can we like move up now, please? Wallahi, on Wallahi, can we move up now? Oh, oh. No, 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 be so simple that I find a way, I find a way. It's gonna take some time to realize. Okay, nice displacement, good TISD. I believe it was off a 5 minute, possibly 15 minute. No, it was off 5 minute. So we have a 15 minute protecting us here, so this does look like it is in line to go to those equal highs, which are about 112 points away. Around there, but you know, we're in the trail at what's it, 321? I was like 321 right there. Zay Wallahi, bro. Zay Wallahi, bro. Alright, chat, we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and just trail stop here. Um, Honestly, been this trade for way too long, in my opinion. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me just make this 322. There we go. So I'm gonna trail my stop up to 322. That right there is basically securing just like basically like a little one, like basically a one-on-one. Let me see. Yeah, basically securing a one-on-one. Um, just been in this trade way too long for my liking. And on top of that, I mean, it's a guaranteed winner now. Either we fly up to TP from here, or we're just gonna go ahead and get trailed out for $500. Either way, um, I really don't care. I'm happy with either or. Regardless, we have now a winning trade on our hands, regardless of the outcome. So, if we hit sell limit, if we hit sell stop, regardless which one gets hit, we are having a winning trade. So, we're either going to get stopped out at a trail of $500 profit, or we're going to drake up now to the London highs above that I am targeting. So, I'll come back once this thing, does something, and we'll see if we hit trail stop or if we hit TP. If y'all are in this as well, we gonna hit TPI. So, all right, guys, we are back. It's looking like our trail stop might get hit right now, but I mean, that's perfectly fine, bro. I'm okay with it. Been in this trade for way too long at this point, to be fucking honest. Um, Usually my trades hit TP within like fucking usually anywhere between like 10 to fucking 30 minutes. But yeah, we've been in this trade since 9:56. It's now 11:50, almost 2 hours. So, at this point, I'm not about to hold a trade for an hour plus and walk away empty-handed with the break even. I'm gonna walk away with at least a 1R on both of my evals. Um, cause I'm not trying to say I woke up at 6 a.m. to hold a trade for 2+ hours just to get broke even and not make any progress on my accounts. So yeah, perfectly fine with this 1R right here. Even if if this 1R trail stop gets hit, fuck it, it is what it is. We came to the market open, executed off of what we had to do, and yep, right there we get trailed out, and that is a nice little 500 bucks right there on this Alpha Zero account. As you can see, we're 1K away from passing. Hopefully tomorrow we can catch a nice little 1 or 2 move, and we can have that play out. But yeah, our short stop just got hit right there. It was like a nice little 1.1 R. Yeah, it was nice for like 1.1 R. We did form equal highs above. Could possibly go for that now, but I'm gonna log into the other account, to the Lucid, and see what that's looking like. Go ahead and connect that real quick. Give me one moment. All right, sick. So this account is at 1328, so about like halfway done through this Lucid eval. Made 520 on it, which is pretty good, pretty fucking good. But yeah, it's gonna go ahead and just wrap up this trading session. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do like a small little recap to end things off. But pretty much, anyways, the reason for that long was, coming into market open. We came inside this hourly, 4-hour daily fair value gap and a 15-minute. We had SMT at the Asia low with ES. ES ended up sweeping that fucking Asia low. Nasdaq didn't, so we have SMT there. We respect the consequent encroachment of this, as we don't even get near it, I believe. Actually, no. God damn, bro, my bad. I just say it and I have all these fucking hiccups. It's my fault. But yeah, you can see we tap into the consequent encroachment of the gap. We displace up, move up. We come all the way back down into the gap. We sweep out all this low resistance liquidity. We sweep out all the sell side. And then we put in that SMT at the low. And then what are we inside of? A 15-minute, 15-minute hourly. Not a 4-hour gap, but hourly 15-minute gap. And then from there, let's go ahead and see, what the entry model would be. Okay, so there's nothing to the upside on the 5 minutes, nothing there. Okay, on the 4 minute, what is it? We have this highest time frame inversion of the leg, which is right here. And pretty much just waited for that to get inverted. Entered on market here, as you guys saw. What was it? Fuck it, which is this? Entered on market here, as you guys saw. And going for a nice 2 to 1 RR for the equal highs above on London. So enter on that 4 minute inversion, came down, suffered some drawdown. Honestly, let's see where they saw that 321, 22. Honestly, had I used the bodies, would have had a little bit better RR, but it's all good. Want to use the wick just because I had SMT at the low, so that means it would be protected. And yeah, we were under the opening prices. 4 minute highest time frame inversion of the leg, V-shaped recovery. We ended up inverting that 4 minute gap within just one candle. Pretty decent displacement, not too big of a wick. And then also there was one more thing that I did pair with this, which was the 15-minute CRT. So we swept out this 15-minute candle low,
So this one is swept out the low into liquidity, forming that SMT. And again, from there we had that 4-minute highest time frame inversion of the leg right here, and we enter on there. Held through all of this, was looking to target the equal highs above right here on London. But I mean, just for the simple fact that we've been kind of just taking forever. We've been in this, again, we got entered into that trade at 9:56. It is now 11:56. So literally, we were gonna go on to 2 hours having this trade held, and for me, that's honestly just too long. I like to kind of go out about my day, do shit. So went ahead and showed the stop to a 101. It's either we hit the full 2 to 1, and as the day goes by, or we get a trail stop for a nice 1 hour secured. But either way, we don't lose. We don't lose either one, so it doesn't matter. So that was pretty much today's trade recap. More than likely, I'm pretty confident we are going to come up, probably later near the end of the day to take out these equal London highs. But I mean, we'll have to go ahead and see. But yeah, and then we stopped out there. Shit, dude, this video is like 2 hours long, so I mean, I'm gonna have to go ahead and like edit it, cut some shit out, stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. Right now I'm banned off TikTok Live. They want to, go ahead and hate on a youngin. But yeah, I should be unsuspended Friday. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and just check the time. I believe it gives me an exact fucking time for that shit. So give me a second. Let me verify that. Let me fact check that. Okay, TikTok, open up. Hopefully it doesn't crash my camera because this one's gonna use the camera too. So hopefully it doesn't crash the camera. But okay, looks like there's an update as I gotta download these goddamn release notes. Okay, let's see. All right, hurry up, install your little live studio, and yeah, so I can let people know when my live is going to be on motherfucking band. Let's go, let's go. All right, TikTok Live Studio, you can open up now. You're making my outro take longer than it should. What are we doing, TikTok Live Studio? Okay, there we go. Okay. Let me see. Go live. Yeah, so we're banned on TikTok Live until May 15th, 8:15 a.m. So literally May 15th, 8 a.m. is when we're gonna have to, go live again. Unfortunately, won't be able to live stream any of the trading sessions for the rest of the week. But yeah, there's that. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Ended up, banking for a nice little 1-to-1. Can't complain. Definitely happy about that. Made good progress on the accounts today. We are now on a 3 trade winning streak, which is good. Which is we had Fridays, we have yesterdays, and then now we got today. So, we're on a pretty pretty good little win streak right now. So, it's gonna be it for this video. Peace out. Hope you all have a blessed day. Y'all be smooth.